What's happening, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. If you have not subscribed already, go ahead and hit that button because I upload multiple times a week. Sneakers, streetwear, hats, everything in between, like I said. So the hats I'm going to be showing y'all today are from Hat Heaven. It was my first time shopping with this company. I ordered the hats on April 12th and they arrived on April 15th, which is pretty quick in my opinion. I think that that's better than acceptable shipping times. You can let me know down below in the comment section what you think, but they arrived in a plastic bag inside of a box. I kind of threw all of that stuff away because I have had these sitting to the side for a while, but they also threw in a sticker, a Hat Heaven sticker, which is pretty cool. You know, all of the little details, they do add up. I checked both of the hats and made sure that they were both my size. So shipping and packaging, A1 for a first time experience. So if you haven't shopped with Hat Heaven before, I will leave a link down below in the description to both of these hats if they're available and their website, because they had a ton of hats. It was like 100+ hats in that drop that I picked these up in. I picked up two hats. The first one was this Pirates hat. This is the hat that actually made me go on the website and make a purchase. I saw this in the preview for the drop. I've been looking for a new Pirates cap and I was like, yeah, this one might be the one. So it has a yellow P on the front, as you can see, the yellow front logo with the red outline. The Pirates hat that I have already in my collection is a two-tone from like years ago. So this is a nice switch up from that. It's a black hat, black button on top, black New Era logo. On the other side, we have a 1994 All-Star Game patch. It's a cool patch, I think. You know, you got the drawn skyline in there. There's a bridge, and then the reds and the yellow to go with the front logo. Now the batting man, on the back you have the red, the yellow, and the white, but you can see it is a detailed batting man. Now honestly, I don't usually go for the detailed batting mans because I think the batting man is already pretty small, so trying to fit all of those little details in there, it usually doesn't work out. So I'm not a huge fan of the detailed batting man, but it doesn't make or break the hat for me. Obviously I still picked it up because I think that it's a really good looking hat. Gray UV on this one with the black guts. From what I saw, I've only been following Hat Heaven for about 2 or 3 drops now, but they don't seem to drop a lot of hats with the color UV like Hat Club for instance, but they did drop a ton of hats at once. Like the drop was 110 hats or over 100 hats, something like that. So you had a lot of options to choose from, with patches, with no patches. So whatever you want, as long as it's gray and green, that's pretty much the place to find it. So the Pirates hat is cool, but we do have another hat to look at, and the second hat that I picked up from Hat Heaven was this Oakland Athletics A's cap. I've been wanting an A's cap for a while now, and I knew exactly what I wanted. Like I had a very clear vision that I wanted a two-tone yellow button with a gray bottom, and that's exactly what I was able to get. So you can see the white A's on the front, yellow brim, size 7 1/8, yellow button on top, white New Era logo, and on the other side there is a 1972 World Series A's patch. The batting man on this one I think is pretty cool. So it's a raised batting man with this yellow outline, gray UV with the black guts. I've been obsessed with two-tones lately. I like colors, and with two-tones I get more colors. It's as simple as that. Like I mentioned, both of the hats that I picked up are gray UV with black guts. That was not a coincidence. I've been picking up a lot of hats lately that have color UV with the white sweatband, which is nice. I've been having a lot of fun with that. The colors are crazy and I'm really enjoying that. But for these two in particular, I kind of just wanted to go back to basics, so that's what I did. I have quite a few hat boxes to crack open with y'all, so be on the lookout for another hat unboxing real soon. If you enjoyed today's video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, and I'll check y'all out in the next one.